open house on the 6th floor in the Central Embassy. From the open house on the 6th floor of Central Embassy. Open house. It's called Open House on the 6th floor in Central Embassy. It's really nice here. Just chilling and doing our work, or my work. Bon just came back from his summer school, but I'm going to do some reading, signing some contracts. Have a great day, friends. What a better way to chill out, facing these buildings, facing prosperity. My boy is going to have an exhibition on the 6th of July, the opening date. He's the only teenager. This is his photo here. He's the only teenager among the photographers. He's exhibiting with his mentor, Mr. Kittipong. He's Thai-American. He's a photojournalist and documentary photographer. Chilling with my Danny boy. It's summer break. School will resume on the 20th of June. Oh, 20th of August. And yeah, we have holiday coming up.
Right, yeah, right, yeah. Oh wait, man. Yeah.
What cafe is this? What's
This one's the Leitz cafe. Yeah. Alright. It's Leitz cafe.
Then he's having what you call it, cold Americano.
Yeah.
For your age, you're so into coffee. I don't even drink coffee.
I've got friends that are in deeper. They're deeper into the addiction.
Not coffee though.
Coffee.
spending quality time with my Danny.
Why do you always talk like that? Spending quality time with Danny.
Because he hardly has time for the mother. It's so true. We don't do things much together anymore.
Yeah, because I come home and you tell me to shut up, you know? So yeah, I come home. Astoria.